Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our computer class. Myself, Dharti Chaudhary. Students, today we are going to start our third lesson, that is an introduction to PowerPoint. Okay, students. Now, last years you learned two options of Microsoft Office, that is Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. And the third option of Microsoft Office is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft Office has three options. First, Microsoft Word. Second, Microsoft Excel. Third, Microsoft PowerPoint. So students, today we are going to learn what is a PowerPoint. Okay, so let I explain you. What is a PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office. PowerPoint is used to create presentations. A presentation is a systematic display of information using text, graphics, video, and audio, among other things. It can also be a digital and eye-catching way of telling stories. It comprises individual slides arranged in a sequential manner. So, okay students, hope you have understood what is a PowerPoint. हम PowerPoint की सहायता से प्रेजेंटेशन बना सकते हैं. उसमें हम लोग टेक्स्ट, ग्राफिक्स, वीडियो और ऑडियो भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट आई एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ टू स्टार्ट PowerPoint और हाउ टू ओपन PowerPoint विंडो इन द computer. The following steps are there. First, click on Start button. Second, go to Microsoft Office and click on PowerPoint 2016. Third, select blank presentation on the welcome screen. Fourth, the PowerPoint windows opens. Okay students, now the following pictures I have shown to you, like this PowerPoint windows come on your screen. It has a components, okay, different options you people can see in this open window. Quick access toolbar, groups, tell me, title bar, ribbon display options, control buttons, ribbons, thumbnail pane, status bar, PowerPoint slide pane, view buttons, zoom, etc. These are the components of PowerPoint window. Now, what is a quick access toolbar? The quick access toolbar is located on the title bar. It provides a one-click shortcut to common functions such as save, redo, undo, start from beginning, etc. Means here you can make a shortcuts, okay, on the quick access toolbar. With the help of this toolbar, you can directly open the options of file menu. Understood students? Now, add and remove tools on quick access toolbar. Following points are there. First, click on the drop down arrow on the right side of the quick access toolbar. The tick mark beside the tool means that the tool is already added. Means you people can see the tick mark. So that option already accepted or selected. Second, click on the tools you wish to add on the toolbar. Third, similarly, click on the tool to remove it. The tick mark will disappear. If you don't want the particular option to show in the quick access toolbar, so you can remove that tool. So just again tick mark there. That tick mark will be disappear. Okay students, this way you can add and remove tools or options on the quick access toolbar. Means whatever you want you can keep it, otherwise you can remove it. Now, what is a ribbon? The ribbon is a user interface which consists of a set of task tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animations, Slideshow, Review, View and Tell Me. Means ribbon is a main menu of the Microsoft PowerPoint. It shows to you main menu like a Home, Insert, Design, etc. Okay students, then when we click on a particular task tab, related tasks appear on the ribbon. These tasks are divided into groups. Each of these groups carries PowerPoint command buttons to perform the specific task. Means when you click on any tabs, for example Home tab, so below that Home tab you will get the options, means different types of options in the ribbon. Okay students, then minimizing the ribbon. Now we saw maximize the ribbon. Now we are going to learn minimizing the ribbon. First, right click on the blank area of any group on the ribbon. Second, click on collapse the ribbon option to view or hide the ribbon. Okay students, now different tabs on the ribbon means options of the ribbon. They are first Home. Home tab is divided into 6 groups, namely clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing and editing. Means with the help of Home tab you can change the font size, style, you can give the paragraph, you can drawing the and you can editing the text. Second, Insert. The Insert tab consists of the following groups: slides, tables, images, illustrations, add-ins, links, comments, text, symbols and media. We can insert objects into the slide using the tabs available in these groups. Means with the help of insert tab you can insert slides. आप टेबल भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हो, images, कोई भी images, pictures, whatever pictures you have inserted from internet you can take here also. Okay, illustrations means any kind of shapes, जितने भी अपने शेप्स होते हैं, चार्ट्स होते हैं, वो भी आप ले सकते हो. आप कमेंट्स कर सकते हो, एनी डिफरेंट एंड स्टाइलिश टेक्स्ट, symbols, etc. Understood, students? This is the importance of insert tabs. Third, design. The design tab consists of 3 groups, namely themes, variants, and customize. The themes groups provides a choice of different designs with colors, fonts, effects, and background styles. You can also customize the slide size and format the background. Okay, students, means you can change the themes of the slides. You can customize also, and you can change the background color or format the background using these tabs. Next, transitions. It consists of preview, transition to this slide, and timing groups. Transitions are effects added to the slides when you move from one slide to the next during the presentation. You can control the speed, add sound, and customize the properties of the transition effects. Okay, students, that means using of transitions you can give transition effects to the slides or animation effects to these slides. Timing groups means you can put the duration to show your slides, to present your slides. You can give sound also, मतलब आप आवाज भी दे सकते हो. Apply to all options also there. Means more than one slides you can give sound effects also. Now timing मतलब आप अपना presentation कैसे करोगे, स्लाइड शो कैसे करोगे, ऑन माउस क्लिक और ऑटोमेटिक. So in advanced slides 2 options are there, on mouse click and timer is there. So you can set the timing, otherwise you can click by mouse also to show your slides in the presentations. Okay, students, hope you understood these points. Thank you. Have a nice day.